Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today working on the 70 Chevy truck. I actually have a new heater control for it. There it is. You can get these from several of the restoration places. It's just it's the controller here. This is how it was done back in 70. You got a deal there, and you got all your cables. They're gonna open and close all your stuff. I believe there is a place for a bulb right there that lights up the thing. So it's just pretty simple, pretty basic. This actually looks like a really nice piece here. This is from that one's from LMC actually. But I think you can get them from anywhere. I think they're all made overseas anyway, probably. But there's mine, and it's broken, totally broken. None of the controls work, and I can't really show you anything. But there's two screws under here that hold this one in. There might supposed to be other mounts back there, but I'll let you know once I get this out, and I'll kind of show you the back side and show you what I get once I get it out. There's no way I'm going to be able to show you under the dash here. Okay, got the old one out. This is why it's not working, because it's all broken. All this is separated, plus these are bent. They are hitting. You got to disconnect the cables right here. They're wrapped around these, and there's a little lock. There's a little lock thing on them right here, one of these. It's like a lock that locks them on. And then there's also a screw that holds the all the wires. This is the new one here. It's gonna hold the wires right here. There's 1, 2, 3. Make sure you don't get them messed up where they go. So I'm gonna get this one in. Pretty simple job, guys. Okay, so I've got it installed, and I've tested it, and it's blowing air. It's going from the floor to defrost, and the fan is actually working. I couldn't get the fan to work before, and it's working now. I'm probably gonna go test it out. It's getting pretty cool out at nighttime, so that's kind of why I wanted to fix this, because temperatures are getting cooler. So I want to keep running it as long as I can until they start throwing crap on the roads. But it looks like it's gonna work. Oh, and I did an update. Light's so bright. I got an LED bulb in the deal there, so you can. So that's an LED bulb. I will link that bulb, guys. I know some of this stuff is hard to find, so I'll link that bulb that I got to work in there. I actually bought 2 of them, but I think one will work in Dad's Camaro, 70 Camaro, so that'll work out. That'll work out good. It did take a little bit of time to hook up all these cables under here, guys, and you kind of had to twist them, and I had to use a little pliers to get them all to go on there. But yeah, it's just got to take some time and do it. The bulb holder, I had to bend the tabs to make it wider to fit on the aftermarket one. No big deal, but that's aftermarket for you. So yeah, this thing is probably junk. I'll save it, I guess. I don't know how you'd fix it. but because it's riveted, and these rivets have broken off. And I know why it broke, because this stuff does move kind of hard. It's not like the newer stuff. These cables are kind of stiff, so, and these ones are bent too, so they were hitting each other. That may be what caused it to break. I don't know. 50 years of being in the truck, people messing with it, it finally gave up. Okay, so one other tip when you're messing with all this stuff back there, the wire for the cigarette lighter is above this heater control. That is live all the time, so you gotta be careful with that. The best thing to do would probably be unhook the battery while you mess with that. But yeah, just be careful, because that wire is hot all the time. Okay, so here's the bulb. Like I said, I'm gonna link it. I actually didn't think it would fit. I thought it was too tall, but it does fit in there just fine. So it's just a simple, I don't know, I forget the actual number for this bulb, but I'll link this one. Okay, so some people might not know how this controller actually operates, but this one here, bottom one, controls your heat. So the further you move this over this way, the hotter the air will get. Okay, so the middle one says air fan. The further over you move it this way, the more it's going to blow the air. Okay, and then your top one here is your defrost. So when you move your switch all the way over here, I think it goes all defrost. I think the middle, it goes on the defrost and the floor, and then all the way over, I believe, is just the floor. So that's how them work. You can see, if I can get my hand out of the way there, you can see how the cables kind of operate down there as you move the controls. So that's basically how they are on the back of the controller too. Okay, so just went on a test run tonight. I think it's about 50 degrees. Lots of heat coming out of the vents. I had my window down. I think if I would have rolled my window up, I probably could have really heated up the cab, but it's kind of nice to have the window down. That's why it's nice to have a little bit of heat. So I'm ready for the cold weather. Hopefully the snow and stuff will hold off for a while, because yeah, once they start throwing that crap down, probably not going to want to drive this through it. So yeah, plus the defrost. Even you need defrost even in the summertime sometimes. If you get moisture on your windshield, or even if you are a little bit damp or something, you need that defrost and that heat. So I see a lot of people doing that, doing like the heater delete thing on cars and classic cars and stuff, and don't know how they're getting away with that, because here anyway, defrost is kind of important. When you're running down the road and your windshield starts to fog up, you really need to defrost that. But anyway, guys, I guess that's going to do it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it helped some people out. I'll link what I can, guys, in the description and in the comment section to help people find some of these parts. But anyway, guys, like I said, that'll do it for this one. I'll see you.